What is AMICOS for you?
AMICOS is much more than a project. It's a meeting point between technologies, mining companies and people.
There is a really huge need for networking events such as those organized by EIT Raw Materials and projects like AMICOS project that really allow us as the academia to talk the end users and to satisfy their needs through our research.
Any gas leakage is only detectable on video, no static images, so it requires a video processing to detect the gas.
AMICOS is developing new technologies for the onboard companies, and these companies, thanks to the new services that they will provide, they will improve their competitiveness and they will offer new services to boost the digitization of the mining sector and the security of the mining people.
Mining sector is traditionally a very conservative sector because they are using processes and techniques that they have validated during the last decades. So sometimes it's difficult to change the way they are doing their processes. But I think that step by step we will turn all these traditional processes into digital and more modern processes as well.
We continue doing these topographic campaigns, but we combine it with these steel meters.
I expect that the mining sector is going to be an essential sector for energy transition and decarbonization.
When I'm thinking about the mine of the future, I think about mine full of robots, full of IoT, full of sensors that providing data for the analytics.
The AMICOS raw material should continue supporting such kind of projects because what they are doing is really to boost the digitization of the mining sector, and the projects similar to AMICOS are very useful for the entire mining sector.